Ano? Ano problema mo?
I don't have any small doll.
Bakit? Sino bang meron?
Only Ate, but not me.
Anong small doll, ate? Ano sabi niya?
Okay, I'll show you.
No!
That's a doll.
I want the people.
Oh. Ate, nasa yung people mo, small doll. Pero mo sa kanya.
Fine. Just for 2 minutes.
2 minutes lang daw, no?
No.
O ilan? Ilang minutes? Ilang minutes? Ha? Ikaw na nanghihiram. Dahil pag naghihiram ka, hindi naman pwedeng ikaw yung magdidesisyon. Ilang minutes? Ha? Ate, pwede mo siyang bigyan ng more than 3 minutes? Ilan?
10.
10 minutes.
No.
Ilang gusto mo minutes? Sige. Ilang gusto mo minutes?
Fine. 1 hour.
1 hour daw.
No.
Shi, ilang gusto mo minutes?
4 hours.
Ha?
No.
Hours. Ilang gusto mo hours?
Until nighttime?
Till night time. Okay ka lang, Dan? Ha?
Okay, what'd you rather? 1 minute or until nighttime?
Nothing.
Ayaw niya pala eh. Bakit? Anong gusto mo?
I want another small doll.
Saan ka kukuha nun?
I want to buy.
Uy, hindi ka naman pwedeng buy ng buy. Wala namang pera si Daddy.
Because we spend remember, we spend money from Team Temu, right?
Si Mami. Hindi ako.
We got some real t-shirt, some real plushies, but just one plushie. I swear, one plushie.